This Chipotle bowl cost me $14 at the restaurant. I'm gonna remake it for $5. Let me show you how. First, we're gonna start with marinating the chicken. I start with a little bit of olive oil, 2 chipotle peppers. Dice this up really small. Throw that in the bag. We're gonna get a little bit of the sauce in there. A little bit of paprika. Some cumin. Garlic powder. Squeeze a lime. Woo, woo. Salt. And pepper. Close it up. Shake it up. You want to let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, preferably overnight, but hey, mama's got kids to feed, so let's put this aside and let's get to the rest. First, throw down some butter, throw down our rice. This is already cooked rice, and we're making cilantro lime rice. All right, we're gonna throw in some cilantro. Squeeze on that lime. Let's get all this all mixed up. Throw in some salt, just for a little bit more flavor. And we mix. All right, our rice is done. Let's push that off to the side. Throw down some oil. So this chicken has been marinating for about 20 minutes now. Remember, it's best to marinate it for over a day. So which one do you think is which? This one or this one? Let's take a bite. This one has everything you could ask for and more. All right, let's take a bite of this one. Not bad. If you said this one was the restaurant one, you're right. This is the one I made. This one is legit. This one is actually better than Chipotle's. I got extra protein in here, extra guac, and didn't have to cost a thing. How this was $5, majority of it I already had on hand. So I only had to grab the guac, which was $4.99. So basically only cost me $5. This one was $13.99. If I had to do it over again, I would definitely do it my way. This is definitely legit Chipotle. If you like this and you want to see more remakes, hit that subscribe and let's go!